Hi guys, welcome to a new video on the channel, Carful. Today's video is another Range Rover video and it will handle about the gap tool. I will take it out here because it is still in the OBD2 port, the gap tool, and we are going to check the bank 1 and the bank 2 mass airflow sensors. So after changing the air filter, we will compare them and see what happens. Stay tuned. So let's start the gap tool with the ignition on, and you can see the voltage is rather low. Now we are going to start the motor and the voltage is going up because of the alternator is working. So when we click on live values, we come into the next screen. Here click on live values again, then on complete list. Then on PCM engine TDV8 3.6 liter. Then on airflow rate from mass airflow sensor bank 1 and then the other one bank 2. And then just for the curiosity, the boost pressure actuator bank 1 and bank 2. Now let's put the engine speed on every bank 1 and bank 2, just for more clarity. Now let's put it in graph mode, and we can see then that there are just only small differences between bank 1 and bank 2. And when the revs go up, the banks go up too. Now I'm looking for a way to get the revs in the graphs too. So I'm going back into the menus and I start again to try this to get the revs and the graphs of the bank 1 and bank 2 in one screen. And here we have it. So now we can put the speed under every bank, bank 1 and bank 2. Put it in full screen mode. So now let's put it in graph mode, and then you can easily see that when the throttle goes up and the engine speed goes up, the bank 1 and bank 2 mass airflow sensors go evenly with it up and down, and there are not much differences between the two. It stays in spec. And this is again a wrap for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit a thumbs up. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And most of all, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.